Hi guys, welcome to another video. Continue subscribing. Today I want to share with you on how to make local soap. Already I have one here I had made so that you can see example. It is colorless. So this is a type of liquid soap which can be used in household activities which need to be accompanied by jik. So continue subscribing. Also put your comment down there. So this is an example of mixture, and I have the water which I'm going to use in making my soap. Then the ingredients are here. This is an example of soap which is used in making that soap. Yes, it is some kind of salt. And this one is caustic. Caustic is an ingredient used for making soap. Normally you find it in the package of the ingredients which are used for making soap when you go to buy them at the market. This one is, they call it CMC. You can see it is a dull color. It looks like unga. So it is part of our ingredients. Okay, that is ungarai. You can see it here. This is ungarol. It is called ungarol. It's also part of the ingredients. This one is ufasid. Ufasid is a liquid which it looks like honey. It is used in making soap. So our ingredients, have mixed them here. So I use this cooking stick to mix them together. I stir. So I stir them together. I mix them and then stir them together until they are mixed. So slowly I add water. You don't pour all the water at the same time. You put slowly so that it doesn't form a foam. You continue stirring. You continue stirring. All the ingredients are here. You stir until the mixture is has come together. You stir and you continue adding water. Remember, the ingredients I had make 5-liter soap. So you continue stirring. You continue stirring. Remember, this mixture will be like this one. So you mix. Now that the mixture has dissolved, or our ingredients are dissolved in this water, now you can add enough water. You add enough water as you continue stirring. You stir. It continues thickening as you add water. As you can see. Continue adding water. You don't put all the water at the same time. You stir. You can see it's very thick. Our soap is very thick. You add more water. Then you stir to make it more thick. So the more you add water, the more it thickens as per the ingredients. So you add enough water. Now, because we have enough water, we leave it to settle like the other solvent here. So now you can leave it to settle before you add your color. So with this one, because it has settled, as we wait for the other one to settle, we can add our color, which is green, and it depends with the user. If you want green, whichever color you want, you see, now it has turned. Yeah, you can decide to add color or you leave it. So you can see our soap has that color. Now our soap is ready for use. You can pack it, you can use it on utensils, you can use it everywhere. So that is how we make soap. Thank you for viewing and watching my videos. Comment down there. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.